Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Centennial Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I'm using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a my100bank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Centennial Bank, you can see the login form page at the right panel. There, you need to provide your online ID and password, then click on sign in where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Centennial Bank. As we are going to recover our password, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot password. Here, to recover your password of the online banking account of Centennial Bank, you need to go in for providing the following details, starting from the very first, that is your online ID. Then you go in for providing your social security number or TIN number. Here you need to select your account type, that is either checking, savings, city or loan. Then you go in for providing your account number. Here, after you fill up all the details, you need to click on Find Me where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover the online banking account password of Centennial Bank. Thank you.